If your Instagram messages are not sending, don't worry because this is common problem many users face. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram message not sending problem quickly and easily. Sometimes when you try to send message on Instagram, the message may fail and show sending error or remain stuck without being delivered. This issue can happen due to several reasons such as poor internet connection, outdated Instagram application, temporary app bugs or server issue. In this tutorial, we will learn some simple and effective solution that can help you fix the problem step by step. First, we check the internet connection because a weak or unstable network can stop messages from being sent properly. Switching between mobile and Wi-Fi data or turning airplane mode on and off can often solve the problem. Next, we will update the Instagram app to latest version. Many messaging errors happen when the app is outdated, and installing the newest update can fix bugs and improve performance. After that, the video will show you how to clear the Instagram cache on Android device, which removes temporary files that may cause the messaging feature to malfunction. Another important method covered in this video is logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in again. This refreshes your account session and can solve many temporary issues related to messages and notifications. If the problem still continues, reinstalling the Instagram application can also help fix corrupted files and restore normal functionality. Sometimes the problem may not be on your device at all. Instagram server may experience temporary technical issue that affect the messaging system. Let's try another solution. Open Instagram app. Then tap profile icon, then click three lines button. Scroll down and click help. Select reported technical problem. Turn off this feature. Then click report problem. Click include continue. You can write your problem here or copy my writing. Then if you have a screenshot of your problem, you can provide it here. Click send. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.